This is a product that's unique to ATE. It's designed by our in-house R&D team. It's the trailer electrical tester, the only version on the market that does both 7-pin and 13-pin. Comes with the adapter here, as shown. It's got a lithium-ion battery internally, which lasts 8 hours running time, generally charged overnight. But the benefit is that it's fully portable. It's a one-man operation, unlike many others on the market which require more than one personnel. So it's very simple and easy to use. It's just got a series of buttons along the front here. It's got a start, a stop and an off button, as well as a battery monitor here, so you can tell the condition of the battery, whether it needs charging. So simply what it does is it just runs through the sequence of the lights, just checks whether there's any faults on the trailer. If there is an earthing fault, it does have a resettable fuse, which is a feature that allows you not to have to keep replacing the fuse. You just literally just push and reset on the latest designs. So firstly, I plug the lead from the trailer into the top of the adapter if it's a 13-pin. It is the option if it's a 7-pin as well. Then you simply press the start button, which will run through the sequence. This gives you 30 seconds to get to the back of the trailer. So I'm now at the back of the trailer, and as you see, it starts running through the sequence